Good evening, Bayside. I'm Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci with a Bayside Live TV weather update. Please follow Bayside Live TV at baysidelivetv.com and also on YouTube. We have a very busy weather story to talk about this evening. Currently, we are sitting in the lower 80s. We have a weather front that will move through the area tonight, so expect some showers and some isolated thunderstorms around. Taking a quick look at your radar. Way off to the north and west, we see some showers in upstate New York. We're currently good, and we will be good for the evening commute through Bayside and through Queens and the city and the tri-state area tonight. But later on tonight and into tomorrow morning, we're going to expect some showers and some thunderstorms, so exercise caution traveling around. So a lot of activity in the tropics, and a tropical storm has formed. Tropical Storm Hermine has formed. We're going to take a quick look at what exactly Hermine looks like. It's very impressive. This is Tropical Storm Hermine sitting in the southern Gulf. Look at this storm just spin. It was very disorganized several days ago as a tropical depression, but now we do have a tropical storm, and we have a threat for portions of northern Florida. And this track suggests a very strong tropical storm and possibly even a Category 1 hurricane. We really cannot rule that out. Currently, max winds are around 45 miles an hour, but this storm is strengthening, and we'll have about a day or two in the warm, hot Gulf of Mexico waters to strengthen further. So a Category 1 weak hurricane, not out of the woods for northern Florida. So we're going to have to keep an eye on this system. This system moves up the coast, and the remnants of possibly a strong depression or a tropical storm will affect our area. That will be for the latter portion of the weekend. So the early portion of the weekend looks good as we look at our local National Weather Service forecast. After some showers from a cold front tonight into tomorrow, temperatures in the lower to mid-80s, a really nice day. It's going to be improving conditions after the morning tomorrow. A very nice day for the day Friday with partly cloudy skies in the mid-80s. Saturday looks good early on, but later on and into Sunday and Monday, we're going to have to watch out for Tropical Storm Hermine. That will be affecting us late weekend into early next week. So beware of Tropical Storm Hermine. Temperatures are in the lower 80s at this hour, and we sit in the lower 80s. So the high today, just if you wanted to know, Bayside, we are in the upper 80s, 88 degrees, a hot day to close out August. That's right, August is ending in meteorological fall. September begins tomorrow. So a very busy weather story. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s around our area at this hour. So there is a greater understanding. This is the Weather Prediction Center. It shows a cold front sliding through our area tonight. A tropical storm system off the Carolina coast will move out to sea. But Hermine could strengthen into a Category 1 storm, and this could affect folks Tampa on northward. So please exercise caution if you're traveling to portions of northern, central, and northern Florida. Southern Florida looks to be spared from this storm system, but not going to rule out wind and rain there either. But northern Florida going to get hit pretty good from Tropical Storm Hermine, and this will eventually move up the coast and affect our area. We'll have to keep an eye on that. So a cold front passes through tonight into tomorrow morning, improving conditions for tomorrow. A very, very nice day, honestly, Friday. Enjoy it. It's going to be beautiful. And Saturday looks good, but Saturday night into Sunday, conditions can go downhill. So playing this out on the radar. Excuse me, hold on a second. Playing this out on the radar, we see a tropical storm system sliding away from the Carolinas. That's one of the storm systems. Really, the other one now we're going to have to keep an eye on and watch. This is Tropical Storm Hermine that will move into our region. And there it is. There it is, folks. Let's take another quick look at that for a second. This storm system, if it moves out to sea, will spare our area of heavy rain and wind. But we really do need some of this rain, but not at the clip and the heavy downfalling rain that we need. So we need a light rainfall. So our area has been in a drought lately. We do not need heavy rainfall. So we'll have to keep an eye on Hermine. That's about it, everyone. A very busy weather story, as you can imagine. Closing out August on a hot and humid note. But we look a lot better going into September. But the tropics are definitely heating up. And we'll have to watch for some heavy rain and wind and strong winds that could affect our area. So I'll keep you updated. Your local National Weather Service and your weather stations will keep you updated as well. Please follow Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, and please follow Anthony Sambucci Weather at WordPress.com. That is my weather blog. Enjoy the weather, Bayside. A nice start to September after a cold front slides through the region tonight into tomorrow. Nice start to the early weekend. Later on in the weekend, watch the tropics. September looks good. Closing out August and going into September, enjoy the weather, everyone. I'm Meteorologist Anthony Sambucci with a Bayside Live TV weather update. Enjoy the weather.